Welcome to the second tutorial in my C++ course. In this video, you'll be learning about how to set up your first C++ program. So let's get started. So first, we want to install an IDE to work on and write our C++ code on. My personal IDE preference would be Visual Studio, as it's free and has a large number of tools tailored to it. So I'll be showing you how to install that first. So first, we head into Google Chrome and go to the Visual Studio website. It'll be the first link. Then we'll press download Visual Studio, and when you press it, you'll have this installation link. I already have Visual Studio installed here, as you can see, but I'll show you how to install it through the Visual Studio installer. So we'll open the Visual Studio installer up. In your case, remember, it will be here, and you'll just have to open it. But because I already have it installed, I have to install stuff through here. So I'll show you your Visual Studio, what version you have if you already have it installed. So because I already have it installed, I'm going to press modify to bring the screen to where you are. It'll take quite a bit of time to load, as there's many things that you can install on it. So as you can see, it's loaded. We can install anything you want. You can install ASP.NET if you're working with HTML or the website, or you can install Azure for cloud development or Python for AI. But in our case, we just want to get C++. So you can, if you want to build apps with C++ or games, you can check these two boxes. But for this course, we'll just be learning about just empty C++, which just explains about the basics. So we'll just do desktop development, and as you can see, it'll include your compiler, which will be MSVC, and you'll since I've already installed it, it has 0 bytes, but yours will be a couple of gigabytes. So then you'll just press this button. But I already have it installed, so I won't do that. So next, the IDE you can install if you don't want Visual Studio is Visual Studio Code, which is extremely lightweight because it has no compiler in it, meaning you'd have to install it separately or install Visual Studio and just use Visual Studio Code as your IDE. So you can press this button. I won't press it because I'm not going to use it. So after you've installed all of this, you can head into your IDE of choice, mine's Microsoft Visual Studio, and you can press create a new project. Now this will bring a bunch of templates where you can choose whatever you want. This console app project will just show you hello world, but we're going to go into this empty project so we can write the code out, which I can explain in the next episode. Then we'll press next. We can change our project name. Let's change it to C++ course file. You can choose where the location is. I'm pretty happy with it, so I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to create. So now this might take a little bit of time depending on how fast your computer is, because it's going to create all the directories. So now we have it. You'll have a solution explorer. So but I don't, since I've disabled it. So we're going to go to build solution explorer. Solution Explorer, and inside of here there's the source files, which you can where we're going to put our code files in. So we're going to press right click it. We're going to add a new item. We're going to name this item main, and it'll create a main file. So as you can see, we have it here. So what you can do is you can exit this, and you can just follow along with what I'm doing. I'm going to increase the size so you can see a little bit better. Let's put it to 150. So first, let's type in the following. Hashtag include IOStream, which is an input and output stream, so you can get user input or an output. Then we'll go using namespace standard, which I'll explain in the next episode. Then we'll create a new class, and inside of here we're just going to type this cout hello. I'll just put 2 more there and right end line. Or you can do this. I'll be using this for now because it's better. Then after that, you're going to want to press a few more enters and type return 0. Then you can press the run button. And that'll just display hello world. So congratulations, you created your first project, and you'll understand what it means in the next tutorial. So that's all for this episode. See you in the next one. Bye.